Hey Impactor, Coach Fryer here with another amazing training for you guys. Today we're going to talk about 3 content marketing tools you can't live without. If you're an entrepreneur wanting to build a business online, this video is going to be especially for you. Stick around, I've got a good one lined up for you here today. Now, I can't kick things off unless I start with this. If you're brand new to my channel, thanks so much for being here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with others if you feel they might be able to benefit from what it is I'm about to share. I just can't tell you how thankful I am that you are here. Let's dig into today's content. So let's talk about these 3 content marketing tools that you can't live without if you are an entrepreneur working to build a business online. Feel free to jot down some notes as I go through these very quickly because listen, I know you're super busy. I want to get right to the point, so let's talk about these 3 tools. Number 1, for those of you taking notes, the number 1 content marketing tool I feel that could be of most value to you today is stories. Now, it's not the story that you might be thinking. I'm talking about Facebook stories or Instagram stories. My question for you to start is, are you using stories, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram? Maybe drop me a comment down below and let me know. I love to circle back around and interact with you a little bit and kind of see and learn a little bit more about how stories are working for you so far, right? Okay, here's what I strongly believe is stories are all the rage right now. And I have found myself using stories more so than maybe actual Facebook post or actual Instagram post on my newsfeed. I'm a big believer. Maybe if you're brand new to using stories, you haven't gotten started yet, that literally in the next several weeks or couple of months, you could get to a point to where you are attracting anywhere from 10 to maybe upwards of 50 new leads to your products, your offer, your service, your opportunity every single month. I want to strongly encourage that if you're not leveraging stories yet, this is a great place for you to start creating what I like to call micro pieces of content, right? Short little quotes or little video clips that are 15 seconds long. This is an incredible way to kind of start putting more content out there, and I consider stories to be an incredible tool. All that to say, if you are maybe someone who's struggling with using stories, you don't know what to post in your stories, you don't know how many times a day or how often you should be posting. Should I do videos? Should I not do videos? All those simple questions. Down in the description below, I actually went ahead and put the link to my 12-day stories challenge, okay? Whether you're brand new to stories or still trying to find your way, I think this will be really helpful. Click the link down below in the description and grab your 12-day stories challenge. Awesome, so we just talked about the first content marketing tool. Next is the second content marketing tool that I feel you can't live without. Now, for those of you who have followed me for any amount of time, you know how big a fan I am of this specific tool. Some of you still don't like to do them. I understand, it's okay, but I'll share some wisdom with you around that here in just a moment. But the second content marketing tool I feel you can't live without if you want to be a successful entrepreneur online today is live video. If you want to grow your name, your brand, or your business most efficiently, most effectively, and very quickly, I don't think you can do that without live video. I mean, think about a Facebook post, for example. I don't care how many exclamation points you put at the end of a sentence or a paragraph or a post or whatever. That's not going to portray the excitement that you feel with what you just shared versus maybe doing a live video. I'm just curious, can you feel my energy coming through the screen right now? Live video or YouTube video, whatever it might be, just video in general can be such a powerful tool to help you move your business forward. Now, I got to be transparent with you for just a moment. Listen, I'm an introvert at heart, right? If you were to meet me in public, I'm not going to be this super uppity, fired up, like in your face and super crazy awesome, right? Excited guy all the time. That's just not going to be me in public. If you were to meet me in person, I would be more the shy type. I would kind of stand off to the side. I would probably wait until you came up and said hi to me or something like that, right? Or maybe you want to, maybe take a selfie or something. I wouldn't be going around, hey everybody, how's it going? That's just not my personality. But live video is another way for me to get out there and express that, right? Okay. I also feel that live video is going to help you build rapport and a deeper connection and relationship with your viewers. Literally, probably 10 times faster, right? Okay. And here's the deal with live video. Allowing your audience to see your face, your name, your words, your energy, your excitement, it's going to open up more and more opportunities to share what it is you promote, what it is you sell, what it is you are offering, okay? Again, at the end of the day, more trust equals more of your potential customers likely to buy what you have. Getting some value so far? Awesome. Let's dig into the third content marketing tool. Now, I don't know what you were thinking. Maybe you're thinking I was going to share like a really cool app or, some kind of software or something, auto poster or something like that. And I wanted to take a different approach with this whole content marketing tool and what I consider to be a tool to help you create more content and attract more customers and more folks to what it is you offer, right? Help you acquire more clients or what have you. And so this third content tool that I want to share with you today is what I call storytelling. Now, we talked about stories on Facebook and Instagram. We just talked about live video, but now I'm talking about storytelling in general. You see, the majority of entrepreneurs I come across online today, and I've been blessed to mentor and train tens of thousands now, so many are scared to open up, you know what I'm saying, to share parts of their story, parts of their past, as they don't want others to see their failures or the mistakes they made or times that maybe they had been let down. They maybe see that, and if they were to share that as maybe a weakness versus a strength. And I'm here to tell you that the power of content marketing today, one of the best tools in your tool belt is to master the art of storytelling, right? Everything you've done up to this point, successes, wins, failures, learning lessons, right? Bridges you've fallen off, bridges you've built to get back up. Like, you took one step forward and 6 steps back, like all of those things. Whether it be life-related, personal-related, business-related. Those are all things, again, I'm not asking you to sit here and go share your life story online. That's not what I'm saying, right? Especially airing the dirty laundry. I'm not asking you to do that. But what I am saying is there are parts of your story that you had a struggle, you had a challenge, and you made the decision to kind of power through and get through it somehow, some way. You came out the other side. You overcame that challenge or that obstacle. What I'm here to tell you is that there are so many people out there who can relate to probably situations you've been in, challenges you've had to face, and obstacles you have overcame. How powerful would it be if you made the decision? Again, you don't need to share everything, but if you were open and willing to start incorporating more of those stories into the posts you're making, into the videos you are creating, kind of like what I'm doing here, right? I share a lot about our story, but part of that is, I didn't really make any real money as an entrepreneur for the first 4 or 5 years. I didn't really make any profit. You know what I'm saying? Most expect to make a profit overnight, and it just doesn't work that way. The question is, who can you inspire? Or who can you help through an existing challenge that they may be facing by sharing, right, parts of your story and weaving that into your content, whether it's a social media post, a blog post, a video, right? Okay. Start sharing more of your story and your journey. The more you do it, the better you're going to get at it. My hope and prayer with every single video that I do is that I bring you some value, that it's short, sweet, and to the point, that maybe at some point or another you got some goosebumps, you took some notes, and you're now able to go implement what I just taught you right now so that you can go get a result that much faster. As always, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to tune into today's broadcast and video. Again, if you already have not subscribed, like this video and share it. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Drop me a comment down below. Tell me what your biggest takeaway was. As always, God bless you, your family, and your business. Let's prepare to impact.